Welcome to the IT Jobs series. In this video, we explore the role of a systems administrator. A systems administrator is responsible for managing servers and IT infrastructure. This includes maintaining operating systems, servers, and enterprise applications. If you're interested in a career that involves keeping an organization's technology running smoothly, this is the perfect role to learn about. Systems administrators have 4 core responsibilities. First, system setup. They install and configure operating systems across the entire infrastructure. Second, security. They manage access control and apply security patches to protect systems. Third, monitoring. They continuously track performance to ensure everything runs efficiently. Fourth, maintenance. They perform regular updates and manage backup systems. These 4 areas form the foundation of what a systems administrator does every single day. Let's dive deeper into the key responsibilities. First, operating system installation and configuration. Admins deploy and configure Windows, Linux, and macOS across the entire infrastructure based on organizational needs. Second, user and access management. They create user accounts, manage permissions, and enforce security policies to protect sensitive data. Third, server maintenance. This involves applying critical patches, performing updates, and managing hardware upgrades to keep servers running optimally. Fourth, backup and disaster recovery. They implement comprehensive backup solutions and recovery procedures to protect against data loss and ensure business continuity. To succeed as a systems administrator, you need 3 types of skills. Technical skills include operating system administration, networking basics, database management, and virtualization knowledge. Security skills cover access control, firewall configuration, patch management, and understanding compliance standards. Soft skills are equally important: problem-solving abilities, clear documentation practices, strong communication skills, and excellent time management. The combination of these 3 skill categories makes a successful systems administrator. Every day, systems administrators perform common tasks and use specific tools. Common tasks include monitoring system performance, managing user accounts, applying security patches, troubleshooting issues, and backing up data. Key tools used for these tasks include Active Directory and LDAP for user management, Group Policy and PowerShell for configuration, monitoring tools like Nagios for performance tracking, infrastructure automation tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef, and virtual machine managers for managing virtualized servers. These tools help automate and simplify daily work. Systems administrators manage 4 critical server management areas. Storage management involves disk allocation, partitioning, configuring RAID for data protection, and data deduplication to save space. Network configuration includes setting up IP addressing and routing, configuring DNS and DHCP services, and enforcing network security policies. Performance tuning involves optimizing CPU and memory usage, analyzing input-output performance, and allocating resources efficiently. Security and compliance includes setting up firewalls and intrusion detection systems, managing encryption and cryptographic keys, and maintaining detailed audit logs. Mastering these areas is essential for infrastructure stability. Servers follow a complete lifecycle that admins must manage. First, planning and procurement. Assess organizational needs, select appropriate hardware, and estimate costs. Second, installation and deployment. Install the operating system, configure networking, and set up required applications. Third, monitoring and maintenance. Track performance continuously, apply patches regularly, and handle system updates. Fourth, troubleshooting and support. Diagnose problems when they occur, resolve issues quickly, and provide user support. Fifth, decommissioning and disposal. Securely wipe data, recycle hardware responsibly, and document the entire process. This complete lifecycle ensures proper server management from start to finish. Several industry certifications validate expertise as a systems administrator. Microsoft certifications focus on Windows and Azure environments, including the Azure Administrator Exam, Azure Fundamentals, and Azure Solutions Architect certifications. Linux certifications are important for administering Linux servers, such as Red Hat Linux 9 Administration, CompTIA Linux Plus, and Linux Professional Institute LPIC 1 and 2 certifications. Security certifications demonstrate advanced knowledge, including CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, and Cloud Security Alliance credentials. These certifications are recognized globally and significantly improve career prospects. The career outlook for systems administrators has both challenges and opportunities. Challenges include being on call for emergencies and support needs, the requirement for continuous learning as technology evolves, the high responsibility and pressure of managing critical infrastructure, and the rapid pace of technological changes. However, there are significant opportunities: growing demand for cloud infrastructure expertise, increasing availability of remote work options, clear career advancement paths to senior positions, and competitive salary and benefits packages. Overall, the career offers excellent growth potential for dedicated professionals. To become a systems administrator, follow this 4-step learning path. Step 1, Foundation Knowledge. Learn operating system basics, networking fundamentals, and server architecture principles. Step 2, Hands-on experience. Set up personal lab environments, practice configurations, and work through troubleshooting scenarios. Step 3, Entry-level position. Secure a junior administrator role where you perform supervised tasks and receive mentorship from experienced administrators. Step 4, Specialization and growth. Focus on specialized areas like cloud computing or security and pursue advanced certifications to advance your career. Following this structured path will set you up for success in this rewarding field.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.